Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a flower. It's going to be the hydrangea. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners. I have an entire playlist on drawing flowers. Go check that out later. Let's get started, okay? I'll put that link in the description. Alright, so first thing, hydrangea kind of looks like a lot of different combinations of a bunch of flowers. So let's kind of go over that. So right now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a line up, curve, right? Kind of like a blade of a propeller. Down. Cool. Line over here. Very, very similar blade. And we're going to curve back in. And it's going to have about 4 on this particular, rose area. Sorry. Line over here. So you have 4 buds like that. And we're going to draw a line right here. Line up for kind of showing that it's folding, right? And this line's a little bit thinner. The reason it's thinner is because it's going to be portray as what do you call it? It's going to portray as detail, right? Don't forget, by the way, I forgot about this, hit the like button if you like tutorials in general. If you like this one particularly, I want to go over every kind of flower I can. When you hit that like, it lets me know that, hey, somebody's watching. Alright, we're going to go over here now and draw a curve down, curve over here. It's literally the same flower, right? But it's right next to it. Line over here, curve for that petal right there, that propeller almost. Out over here, down, up. Down over here, curve up. Right on. So far, so good. So before we draw the lines in there, we're going to draw another one right here. So again, almost like that top of that propeller. Out over here, down, in. Again, they all have 4 sides. It's kind of like a bouquet. Alright, we got 1, 2, and 3. We're going to draw one over here at the top, and this one's going to be a little bit hidden. So curve right here. Curve right here for that one propeller side. Over here, down. Over here, in. Out, down, in. That other, again, it's 4. 4 on each. Let's draw another over here on this side. So we got that curve of that one side, that one propeller. Down. In. And right here we got 4 on each side. Cool. Gonna go over here now. Let me see. We want to make it like a circle, like overall. So let's add another one over here. This one's gonna take I wouldn't say like a lot of work, but it's more work than I would say an average flower drawing. Line over here, because you're kind of choosing where to put these, right? It's relatively simple, right? Just remember that 4-sided combination right here. Over here on this side. Line over here. Line over here. Same thing, that 4-sided combination. And you can kind of do it like that. Let's put in one more over here, okay? So, see it's hidden behind that to show that it's behind it. 4 over here. Over here on this side, out, down. Down over here. Right there. Cool. So now we want to make this look like one solid shape. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a line over here. Over here, kind of close that off on that side. Down over here. On this side. Over here on this side. Line over here. line over here, line over here. You know, we're just kind of completing the circle, right? With some natural elements. Line over here. And maybe a couple of lines over here just to show that something's going on. So let's jump into the detail, right? The same thing we did in the beginning here, we'll do everywhere. Don't forget, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification if you like learning how to draw something different every single day and kind of improving yourself and growing your mentality and growing your drawing ability. Hit the subscribe right now. Click that bell notification. It's absolutely a big deal. Line. Well, I mean, it's actually no downside to it, I mean. So you can always unsubscribe later if you like, but hit the subscribe button to follow. Line. Over here now, line right here, just kind of showing where it bunches up. And these lines tend to be a little bit thinner. I'm using a Sharpie, by the way. Line. Over here, line. Line over here. Line over here. Cool. And some just kind of all over the place. Sweet. Okay, so we have that kind of top bouquet, right? So on the bottom of that, you're gonna have like kind of almost like a little plate of these larger kind of leaf structures. Okay, so over here we're gonna draw. It's gonna pull out. So, but on the way down, we're gonna zigzag out over here. Zigzag right there. Line down. Over here on this side. Zigzag out, up. Line over here. Keep going over here. This one's gonna be a little bit further out, right? It's a little bit smaller because it's like behind. We're gonna go over here now. Same thing. It looks like a leaf in the wind, and essentially it is kind of a leaf, right? But you have that leaf shape, that kind of teardrop shape overall. So over here, so curve. Line out over here, far away. Finally, we're gonna draw what it's kind of the stem. Line down here, line down here, up, down over here, up over here in this area, down there, and you have that stem, and that's it. Don't forget, we have coloring books here. They are awesome. There's cat drawing coloring books. There's a coloring book being added every single week on Amazon. Go to the link, the very, very, very first link, and it's going to show you all the incredibly cool things we have. I hope you enjoy this. You are amazing. Don't forget, coloring is just like, you know, we essentially made our own coloring book right now, but go check out those books. They're awesome, and thank you. I appreciate everybody for supporting, and I'll talk to you next time.